and welcome to our show, Punished for Protecting. Does that sound like you? Do you remember the old commercial? It's 10 o'clock. Do you know where your children are? Well, sadly, too many parents in our country, yes, here in America, have no idea at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 10 a.m., 9 p.m., where their children are. But it's not because they're unfit or they're crazed on drugs somewhere that they don't know. No, it's because they reported abuse. Yes, you've got that right. Family Court and Child Protective Services took their children because they reported abuse. Again, I ask the question, does that sound like you? Are you a fit parent who doesn't do drugs, is not in trouble with the law, has never had a criminal history, holds down a job, has a great home, has a great bedroom and bedrooms for your children, has given your children everything, and yet your children are with someone who is a domestic violence perpetrator, an addict, or things just like that are not safe for children? Have you dealt with child attorneys or guardian ad litems that completely ignore the risks to your children? No matter how much evidence you present, they completely ignore it and they fight for the other parent? Have you had to deal with any judges that completely ignore your due process? Due process? What's that? How about a judge that refuses evidence into his court or her court when it's the people's court? Again, I ask that question. Does that sound like you? If so, my name is Francesca Amato Banfield. I am the founder of the National Coalition for Family Court and CPS Reform. We would love your stories. We would love to interview you. So please contact us on the website www.punished4beingaparent.com. Again, it's www.punished4beingaparent.com. Go to the contact section and fill out the form. Let me know that you saw this infomercial, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. I can do face-to-face interviewing, or I could do a Skype sort of interview. I can have you be public, or I can have you blurbed out for your privacy, so there's no further retaliation from our wonderful judicial system that is so full of integrity. I say that facetiously. Thank you very much for your time, and I'm sorry for what you're going through, and I'm sorrier for your children, because I know personally and from experience what damages are being done to our children. Our children are indeed our future. They're the future of this nation. We're not going to have a nation if this crisis continues and if we continue to allow it. I look forward to your story. Thank you again, and have a great day.